Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send snap from camera roll as normal snap without filter on Snapchat. So guys, if you want to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snaps without filter on your Snapchat account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now download and install the latest version of Snapchat on your device. So guys, for that, open your app store and search here for Snapchat, and then download and install the latest version of Snapchat app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this, open your Snapchat and then go to camera roll and select any photo. So guys, tap on camera roll and select any photo, and here you can see there are no filters on this photo. So I simply tap on send button and the photo will be sent from your camera roll without a makeup or other things. So guys, you have to simply do this, and after this you can easily send snaps from camera roll as a normal snaps without filter. So guys, this is the way to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.